Alright, today we're here to discuss sensor cleaning of a Canon or even a Nikon or any other camera, digital SLR of course. We've got the lens removed, and as you can see the mirror is down. We're going to go into a mirror lockup mode, and that's going to allow us to clean the sensor. Now what I'd like to do before I start cleaning the sensor is take my little rocket blower and go ahead and hold the camera upside down and blast the mirror off and try and break any loose dust that might be there on the mirror. So in order to go into mirror lockup, I'm going to flip the camera over, turn it on, and I'm going to go to menu, and under the settings, under the wrench, there's going to be a sensor cleaning option, and you're going to select that with set, and you're going to do clean manually. And when you set that, it says the mirror will lock up after manually cleaning the sensor. Turn power switch to off. You're going to hit OK, and you hear the mirror go up, and below that you'll have the sensor. So what we have today is the Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Kit from Germany, and I've used this once before. It's quite nifty. It's very easy to use. It comes with a gel stick in a sealed container, and so if we open this up very carefully, not to get the gel stick end dirty, you can see this gel right here will pick up the dust off of the sensor, and we're going to dispose of the dust with one of the included little cleaning strips. And that's this here. And basically you just peel this open. This is just paper, and now you have a clean surface here. So you're not going to be able to see this white on white, but basically you're going to hold this down. I'll move the camera out of the way a little. And you're going to take and press the sensor onto that piece of paper, or press the gel stick onto that paper. And you're going to want to pull it off very carefully. And do that a couple of times. You can even do that on the sides of the gel. And you'll notice that there's a little bit of dirt, rather dust, coming up off of the gel itself. Now at this point we have a clean gel stick, so we can go ahead and start in on the sensor itself. And basically I'm going to work across the sensor from top to bottom. You can do it any way you choose. I'm just going to choose from top to bottom. And you're basically going to be very careful, lightly press the gel onto the sensor and pick it up off of the sensor. Once you've done that, and I just dirtied this sticker, so I'm going to go to another one. So now I'm cleaning that gel from that swipe. You just press it once, and I'll clean it right up. I'm just Just working my way across the sensor. I've taken some preliminary photos to determine where I have dust. I'm going to go ahead and clean the entire sensor. I'm overlapping my passes so I don't miss anything. Now once we're done with this, I'm going to take my cleanest lens and one that I've already cleaned and take another handful of photos at as high ISO as I can go. In other words, actually low ISO, so 100 or as close to 100 as I can go, and still get a white background, and then try and find any dust. Now the way you find dust is to open the sensor, expose the sensor for a longer period of time, and in order to do that you're going to want to go to as high a f-stop as possible for your lighting situation. And that concludes this video.